Alright guys, how we doing? It's been a little minute. Um, I think like a few days. I had I had the TJR combine. At the TJR combine yesterday. And or not yesterday, over the weekend, and it was really good. It helped me open my eyes to a bunch of different things that I needed to do as a trader, to improve and to kind of just change what I wanted to do, and it showed me that, hey, practice how you perform. If you want to perform good, you gotta practice good, right? So and not just that, it gave me a system. What I realized was I was trading, yes, but like I wasn't trading, I was gambling. So with the combine, what it did was it gave me a system to kind of really like really just it gave me it gave me a system really just to be confident and know that, like, okay, this works, so don't do anything else other than this system. So what that system looks like, okay? First, uh I need to get my daily bias. Also, it's literally 9:35. I'm late. I'm tired. I was up till like 3 a.m. I know. Excuse me. I was up till 3 a.m. I know. I'm sorry. Um, so what that looks like, what that system. Hold on. I already swept these lows. I can't even. I take this off. It is okay. Whatever. Okay. Actually, I don't want NQ on that side, but whatever. So NQ already swept these lows. Oh, what that looks like, right? Is using the previous sessions to see what this session's going to do, right? Using that to find a daily bias. Um, After that, and by using that to find the daily bias. Then after that, let me go in for one.
Order filled.
Um, Using that to find the daily bias. Then after that, um, using that to find the daily bias, and then after that, marking out your 4 hour, your hourly lows, your session lows, your daily lows, and then you use that information to see where the lowest resistance liquidity is, and then wait till 9:45. Wait for market to do its manipulation, and then target the low resistance liquidity, uh, and wait for the market to target the low resistance liquidity, and then reverse off of it. And so after it targets the low resistance liquidity, what you do after is, after you target the low resistance liquidity, what you need to do after is you need to wait. You need to scale down to the 5 minute timeline, and then
Order filled.
wait for a 5 minute retrace, or wait for a 5 minute like retrace. After the or Scale to the 5 minute, and then wait for a liquidity sweep on the 5 minute. Um, After that, scale down to the 1 minute, and then wait for a break of structure. And then wait for the other confluences saying, hey, we're not going any lower than this. So, um, what we have so far is Asia session got consolidated. London session, they took out the lows from Asia session right here, bam. And New York session, when New York session opened, took out the rest of the Asian session lows. So now we're kind of just taking the lows right now we're taking the lows from the day from yesterday on ES on NQ. We've kind of already took the lows from yesterday. Hold on. We already took the lows from yesterday. So what that means is I kind of wait and see if we get a break below this point. If we do not get a break below this point, then I will be looking to scale down onto the 1 minute chart, and then I'm gonna be looking for almost a continuation, either a continuation or a reversal. Most likely a continuation though, just because of how we got a lot of the down pressure. However, I am open to a reversal because of the fact that Trump, he opened up the government yesterday. He even said the whole thing about the $2,000 stimmies. Probably lying. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait for a retrace, and then scale down and wait for that break of structure. So I'm not gonna to do anything yet. I'm definitely gonna pause it though because I just woke up. I got some stuff that I gotta do. So I'll come back when I am looking to trade. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, let me drink some water. Okay, so we did get a pullback on the 1 minute. Looks like that's what we're getting right now. Nothing crazy. But I'm gonna be looking for a break of structure. If we do not get a break of structure, probably gonna continue the trend lower. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna just wait for a reversal. What those confluences look like is if we get a close on this 1 minute, might be looking for depending on how strong this close is. But it looks like our entry could be coming up here shortly. If anything, hey, this maybe was a 5-minute retrace. And if it was, then okay, we got some strength to this. Now, what we would need to see before entering though is a break of structure, because all this could be is a retracement. This could literally just be a retracement right here. Okay, it's on this one. Off of the 79% extension. But how are you guys? Hey, it's been a while. I haven't done a trade recap in a little minute. If we even get a wick past these lows over here, then that's going to invalidate my bias. And we'll go back to the drawing board. if you get a close above the 79% extension, I will be looking to enter. Okay. Still have not gotten this break of structure. I would like to see that as well. However, we are getting a little bit more like buying power. There we go. That's what I want to see. That's the buying power. That's the buying that I kind of want to see to confirm that, hey, we're looking. This is reversing. Like we're reversing here. So I'm gonna wait for this close. All right, and then I'm going to enter on NQ. Actually, I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a retrace. And now I'm going long on
Order
NQ.
filled.
Let's see. Should it have been NQ? Yeah. I think it should have been NQ. Both of the draws on liquidity are kind of high, honestly. But I guess I'll take put my set profit, my take profit right there. And we'll just see how this trade plays out. It was a great candle. Then I'll put my okay. Bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute right here. Could be what we're drawing into. I mean, it did not close out of it. Beautiful leg up. wasn't able to get a candle closure above this resistance right here. Let's see how market wants to react. Okay, it's beautiful. Pushes up higher. I don't like how we're not able to kind of break this area right here. Nice. At about 20 seconds until candle closes. I want to see, to kind of further confirm how I think this trade is going to play out. I do want to, actually I can move my stops as well, above here. And that's beautiful. That right there might have just secured us this trade. I don't like this look at this candle right here. Especially because this to this. Yeah, I don't like the look of these candles right here. But I'm gonna hold. We really do need to see this. Okay, I don't like. Okay, we didn't break the low. Do you want to move my stop to break even? Just kind of take the risk off of the trade a little higher up, so there's no point in there's no need to risk more than, because we're already past that, you feel me? And I low-key could close half of the position right now.
Order filled.
And this would be the other two. And this would be the limit two. Wow, that really shows me. I got scared of the market. I literally just got scared of the market, and ended up placing my closing half of my position, same position, and we'll see if my take profit gets hit or my stop loss gets hit first. It's probably gonna be my stop loss. Excuse me, thank you. I don't like how that looks, so I'm just gonna actually close out the rest of it. So, not bad. Let me actually close this tab so we can focus on one chart. Not bad. I did not like how these draws were looking. If we get a break of structure here, nah, I'm not even gonna say I'm looking to target shorts. I think I'm done for the day. Profit 210. Kind of was risking a little bit more than what that makes up for. It's actually because this right here is looking to be a great setup if we close below these lows. If it closes below these lows, I'll look to consider shorting.
Order filled.
Now, the reason I shorted here was because this actually is right here equal, like really equal lows, meaning that in a sense, I guess this at this tick, it did not close below. However, I see this playing out in my favor. Stops here. Take profit here. Another reason that this kind of gave me confidence to take this trade was because, as I said earlier, if you look here, right, from this leg down to leg up, if you look, that did not hit the 79% extension. This was literally just a retracement into equilibrium. So yeah, I'm looking to see this drop a little bit lower. Market basically just giving market, you know, the space to breathe, and from there we'll see how it goes. I wouldn't say that this is emotion. At least I don't think this is emotion. I mean, could be. I don't know. I think that this is a very good assessment of the market character. And we're about to get a, let's see, if you get a break under this fair value gap, one thing I like about my new manager at Chipotle is, man, she updates. I kind of don't like it, but I do like it because, you know, she's on top of it. But man, she really like updates my my time card. She's always on the time cards. I don't know how to feel about it, but like, how did that go? I closed below. I don't know how I feel about it, but like, she be on it, bro. She be on it. Like about 5 chains and I still won't go broke. I'm a well-known scammer. I gotta lay low. Yeah, I mean, at the same time though, I really don't like how long it's taking to kind of to, I don't know. I could have targeted these, but I mean, wouldn't have offered a really high risk to reward. So I might get stopped out here. I'm probably gonna get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, and punch my stop loss. Okay. I'm not upset. Total P&L for the day, 104.98. So 104.98. Okay. I'm gonna leave this. I'm done trading for the day. Yeah, I'm done trading for the day. So what happened? I went to the market. I saw that in London session had swept Asian session lows. Not really the highs though, but I saw London session sweep the lows and a little bit of manipulation, or a London session sweep the lows into a manipulation. So I was like, okay, it's gonna continue for a little bit. Targeted. It took out the previous day lows, but I targeted like what was it? One of them. It's right there. You can still see the line. Targeted that low, and it played out in my favor. Let's see how if it invalidates this fair value gap right here. This is a 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see what the 5 minute time frame says. I'm actually gonna buy here.
Order filled.
Holy 25. Oh my gosh. I did not mean to do that. Why would it do that? There's no way. Dog, what? Whoa, what? Why would it do that? Oh my god, I'm actually gonna get fully liquidated here. What? Oh my god, bro. dog. That's actually, bro, can you hear how raspy my voice is now? That's actually sickening. That's actually sickening, bro. I did not even mean to do that. Like, it just held and it just kept, like, filling. Jesus Christ, bro. I don't want to, like, fucking... Oh, my stomach. That's disgusting. Now, the reason... Oh, my God. While this fucking plays out, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not losing profit. Okay, I'm actually losing it. The reason that I took this trade was because this right here was the reversal. This right here was the this right here was like a retracement, and this right here was it filling this fair value gap and inversing it. So after I saw that it inverses fair value gap, I was like, okay, it's gonna look the target. It's gonna look the target a little bit higher now. So, that right there made me sick, dog. And it would look to target these highs, these, and these, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't have the stomach to target anything higher than this. Actually, let me not get out for 25. Let me get out for here. For 15.
Order filled.
Okay, whatever. I'm not even gonna play with that. I'm not even gonna play with that. Jesus Christ. Bro, I almost damn near shit on my... Never mind, my fault. Oh my God. Bro, I'm literally like shaking. That wasn't even intentional. So... Alright guys, so I actually was up $100 on the day. Now I'm up $1,300 on the day. That was scary. Bro, you don't understand how, like, that was disgusting. If it would have went probably like 3-4 more ticks lower, it would have hit my stop. It would have hit my loss limit. Like, that would have cooked my eval. So I'm glad that it didn't. Especially because it wasn't like it wasn't even a me mistake. That was well, I mean, I guess it was a me mistake. I shouldn't have been holding it. Wow, that right there was terrifying. So I'm done trading for the day. As I said, I saw London sweep the lows of Asia session. After it swept the lows, New York session opened up and it continued lower. After it continued lower, waited, got it for a reversal. Broke structure to the upside. After we broke structure right here, got a small little retracement and headed, and that's when we broke structure higher, or got a retracement. After that, we broke structure here on the 1 minute. After we broke the structure on the 1 minute, okay, said, all right, time to enter. We entered, targeted up here. We got our 1-to-1 risk reward. Then I was like, okay, well, we closed above this fair value gap right here. And that was like, okay, that just showed me. Let me actually keep 2 runners. Because
Order filled.
this is going to target, I want this to target here. Let me actually do 2 more.
Order filled.
Yeah. So, my position size is 5.
Order filled.
Sorry, guys. So saw that, targeted that, and said, okay, cool. Pull back, broke structure here. Here, closed above this fair value gap, gave us nice little breathing room. Um, it looks like I'm actually doing too much. Looks like I'm doing too much here, guys. So I'm gonna wait for this to get above this and close, or if it drops below this, I'm closing all. Five-minute retrace or 1 minute retrace. Looks like it. 1 minute retrace. Let me know. Dog, that when I tell you that scared me.
Order filled.
Okay, whatever. I'm not stomaching that. Anyways, so where are we at? Cause I'm done. 950. 950 on the day. That's not bad. I could have been 1300 up on the day. Over traded. Still not in control of my emotions completely, but not bad. Not bad. That was a good trade. That was a good trading day. Where are we at? 40 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. So, I saw a pullback, break of structure here, fair value gap, retraced into the fair value gap, pulls up higher, targets this, and could target this, but I literally don't need to. As I said, I'm up 1,000 on the day, so yeah. I got some more videos to record, so I'm gonna be up. I'll talk to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I start, I'll become profitable. But like, look at this though. Hold on, let me see. Look at this. Look at that. 950 on the day. I think this is the first real positive like day that I've been. The other one wasn't even, I couldn't even count that for real because I literally just over leveraged on purpose. So yeah, 950, my first win. Excuse me. I appreciate y'all for staying. If you watched this long, probably didn't. If you didn't, that's okay. If you did, let me know. Follow me on my socials. Come chat with me, and I'll see y'all.